everybody, thanks for tuning in to your Arsenal Advisor. This video is going to be about Tank 101. Everything you need to know about what to do in a tank, the Sherman Tank Edition. I was actually putting together some videos for when I'm putting together sort of like a tour inside a tank, and I was just looking at a couple of these clips and realized like that's basically everything you gotta do in a tank. So check it out.
And a fully loaded live shell weighs about 45 pounds. The gun.
That's a really long case. One that has something to do with the anti-tank gun that's in this turret, because it's a longer gun than what most of the Shermans had.
Fist, so you don't lose any fingers. You close the breech, and you're ready to go. And you yell up so that the tank commander knows that the gun is ready to.
So what he was saying was, when you load a shell into the gun, you push it in with a fist, not your fingers, because the breech block can catch fingers a lot more easily than a thick fist can be pushed out of the way by the block.
Okay, the gunner can operate the gun. There's this wheel right here is for elevation. That handle, they did a pretty good job of that. That's how it coordinated for that to work. The loader would load, the gunner would gun, and the tank commander would run everything. Bow gunner kept them safe, and the driver took them where the tank commander wanted to go.
This looks really important, so I figured I better include it. Well, that was a pretty quick one. It was interesting the way the turret was arranged or oriented. It's almost like in the movie Fury, where War Daddies was talking to Machine there for a little while. He was looking down at that same angle because Machine was in the assistant driver position. So anyway, only other thing you can add to the stuff in the video is just practice. That's pretty much it. All right, I hope you enjoyed the scenes there, and see you on the next one.